Hello friends, this is Nesto. Today I'm showing you an update on some customs. This is how the Caddy will be looking as a final result. I am recording this with my phone. Hopefully it turns out okay. Detail the skateboard in the back, and I put those wheels from one of the new Bluebirds, the yellow one. They look really nice on there. They're not real riders, but they don't have to be. Oops. I think it looks awesome. Next one is my bird. I always show this one because I love it so much. I think I'm done with the rack finally after so many months. I just put those 3 on the roof. I think it looks cool. It looks more complete now. Okay, the next one is really awesome. I showed it before. But it's got a little update. Bam! I painted the base, not completely, just the bottom part of it, the lip, the front lip. I detailed those rear view mirrors. Did them black. I think it looks awesome. But this one, guys, I am very excited about this one. Every time I show customs, there's always the one that I like a lot. This one is my favorite. I didn't think it was going to turn out this nice. I am so proud of it. You guys tell me what you think. There it is. Look at that beauty. See that right back there? Oh my, that's a bumblebee. Just passed right in front of me. Check this out though. Painted the base black. I left the exhaust chrome. I did that screw at the bottom. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Can't get over it. And I'm gonna put it under the sunlight so that you can see how shiny it is. Anyway, here they are. I hope you guys liked them. Please comment, subscribe, leave me some feedback. Which one is your favorite? That is mine. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. You have a beautiful day. This is Nesto. I really hope you like this. Peace out.